Discovering a gold mine. The phrase alone builds excitement. However, it typically takes 7 to 10 years to begin production once gold has been discovered. Claude Resources has been producing gold in tranquil Saskatchewan, Canada since 1991 and finds itself uniquely positioned away from the third world challenges facing many producers.
Mining in Canada has a lot of benefits. Firstly, it is both politically and economically very stable. It is a mining country.
Claude is a fixture in Canada with more than 19 years of uninterrupted experience. The company is delivering growing production, cash flow, and margins at its 100% owned Seabee Mine.
Seabee Mine is our core asset. It's an underground narrow vein gold mine in Saskatchewan. We're currently producing about our 900,000th ounce since we started 19 years ago. We'll go through 1 million ounces in the next 18 to 24 months, and a 1 million ounce producer starting to become a world-class ore body.
The price of gold has been on the rise, and there's good reason to believe this decade-long trend will continue.
In 1980, the price of gold hit $860 an ounce. In current terms, adjusted for inflation, it would have to get to $2,300 to be at the same level.
As gold has reemerged as a legitimate part of a diversified investment portfolio, investors are searching for ways to obtain leverage to higher gold prices.
The benefit of buying into a company that's in the gold mining business is not only do you benefit from an increase in the price of gold, but if you buy the right company, you get increasing production, so the growth in the business itself. You get increasing ounces in the ground if the company's successful at finding additional gold resources.
Claude Resources has a proven track record at Seabee, where gold production here is on the rise and cash costs are on the decline.
We're now, after nearly 19 years, really getting our feet under us and starting to expand the operation.
The company owns the 10,000-acre Madsen property, which contains 1.2 million ounces of high-grade gold resources in the prolific Red Lake Gold Camp. Exploration here will be a key focus for Claude in coming quarters. This exploration project offers tremendous upside potential and could be the catalyst that causes a re-rating in the share price of Claude.
Madsen project we own in Red Lake is one of the top exploration projects in North America for sure. We have one of the top projects in that camp. We own 10,000 acres. It will likely be a multi-million ounce high-grade project in probably the best mining area in the world. We have already identified 1.2 million ounces on the Madsen project. At any time you can encounter results that change the entire tone of your company. Madsen has the potential to be a catalyst to do that.
With growth comes responsibility, a core value of Claude Resources. Ultimately, the price of gold will be a key driver of profit margins. While no one can predict the future, a historical perspective offers a modicum of insight into the future.
On the price of gold, it is and has been for thousands of years turned to as a store of wealth in uncertain times. And we're certainly in a time now when people are losing confidence in conventional financial instruments as a place to store their wealth. So currency and sovereign debt and bonds, very unstable, and personally I don't think this is anywhere close to being resolved.
Claude has the foundation, stability, growth potential, and corporate responsibility to be a leader in the gold mining business, which is one of the few sectors of the marketplace where the fundamentals have improved since the onset of the credit crisis.
There are no material things that will prevent us from growing value for the shareholders in this company. We're going to grow our production, grow the ounces that we discover and put in our inventory, and we think the gold price will take care of itself.